how to create an AI project in just 5 minutes. The tool that I use for today is a Teachable Machine Learning with Google, and it consists of several useful projects that you can play with, either sound or images. And because we use an image, so I will select one in the 3 available library here. The training is very simple. Everything you need is to have some images, and you will need to train the model, download the model, and integrate the model with your website. So to demonstrate this, I will create one class. Let's say I have a cup, and I will try to load some of the image to this class. You can download some image. For example, you can search for Google and then download it to your local drive. And it's recommended that you have several different type of cups so that the model can learn more about your data. Cool, so I have finished downloading 3 cups, and I can upload it from here. The second class, I decided to train with some of our famous celebrity, for example, Jeff Bezos. Okay, and similarly, I need to download some of his image to teach the machine. Or maybe I can download another image for Leonardo DiCaprio. Alright, next we try to add more data to the training. Alright, and we train the model again. Now you can clearly see that I now look more like human, not like a cup. Next, you can export the model here in order to integrate with your website. You can download your model from here and save it. And with a little bit of programming, your website will look similar like this. Okay, you can use your camera in order to scan this QR code to get the demonstrations. To get started with the demonstration, you press the start button, and basically it will try to load the image from your webcam. And yes, and you can see that it say that I look like Adam Selipsky 80%, because this demonstration I already trained with more samples, and with some other guys. And I look like Adam Selipsky, but if you hold a cup like this, it say that I look like 100% and like a cup. Okay, or you can it can detect the hands like this. Okay, with different hand gesture, but it still can detect it is a hand. That's cool, and that's a quick tutorial about how can you create an AI application by some existing library. See you in the next episode.